Hello everyone, this is Vinay here from Learn Coding with Vinay, and this is video number 23 of our series where we are building library management system using ASP.NET Core MVC, Entity Framework Core Database First Approach, and ChatGPT extensively. So in the previous video, we looked at displaying all books. Right? In this video, let me show you that. This. In this video, we will work on add book functionality, basically create book functionality. Right. So let me bring the uh, prompt over here. Right. I hope I was able to manage this to display in one page. Now it looks good. Right. So here I am saying let's work on create book now functionality. Now we need a VM which will have following properties. Right. Book title, it is required, and text box. So here I want to have a very nice response from ChatGPT. That's why I am putting down all possible information over here. Authors, it is required multi-selection drop down or any other control, right? Because one book can be written by multiple authors, right? And also, if user does not see the author over there, then no need to go to the author screen and add author. There and there itself we can have a small pop-up that will open up, and user can add author over there. ISBN, required, and text box. Publication, auto suggest text box. This time I am giving, this will be a drop down kind of thing only. This is a single selection only, right? But what I am planning is either we can plan auto suggest text box, that auto suggest text box are when we type something it will give a certain list, and we can select one of it. If there is nothing, then it will use it and add new into database, right? And or if they don't see it, we might have a similar functionality like author, that give it a button that opens up a pop-up and allows to add publication quickly, right? Genre would be a required field drop down, right? We already have genre table. Short description, it's a required field, multi-line text box. Pages, required field, text box. Dimension, required field. This I am spacing string because we are using it L length cross width cross height kind of thing, right? Text box. Image, required file upload. Published here, required text box, right? Then properties for drop downs, right? So whatever we are, for example, author we might need drop down, genre publication we might need drop down, genre we might need drop down. So those properties should also be part of the VM. And please guide step by step here and generate required controller code, razor view code, and view models if required. Follow best practice and security guidelines, right? Please use bootstrap grid to arrange controls on medium and large view. Let's use two columns, and on small, let's use one column. We already did this in a search page also. I am instructing it again just to see how it generates the response. I have already created the controller. We already have the controller like this. Now let's push this and let's see what does ChatGPT comes up with. So I'll go on ChatGPT. I'll put it down over here, and boom. Let's wait. So ChatGPT has generated the response. Let's go one by one. So let's create this view model first. Let me create it in the background. So I just created the model VM book create and just copy pasted the entire thing from here to there. Now let's move to the second step. Okay. So here we have the create post, create get, and create post method. One mistake it has done is it has considered publication as a separate table, but it is not. But we'll correct it later. Let me just put down the code first. So let me copy this. We'll come here. We'll go over here and at here in the manage books control. We'll copy paste both create get and create post method, right? And here it is img actually, not this. Let's see, for select list we'll have to mvc.rendering add namespace. Okay, there you go. Okay, so we added the required namespaces. Let me save, let me go. Okay, this publication thing we'll ask ChatGPT only to correct. We corrected the path, default.png string save image. I don't know why default dot jpg was given. Okay, save image. Let's, okay, new book. Okay, so it is, I think this is just the title. This is small ISBN, right? We don't have publication ID, we have publication only. So let me see if it has created publication ID over here. No, this is not. This should be string and this should be publication only. So this is good. This is image only. This is good. Okay, rest look good. And over here, okay, let me go to chat gpt now, that we don't have publication as a SCP, separate table. It's within the book only as a column. So so can you please regenerate this code? And we are copy pasting the code, that only piece of code that we want. We don't need it to generate the entire code, otherwise it will start from beginning. So let's wait. Okay, so chat gpt has generated the code. It is saying here is an updated version of code, and if you are using in select item, yeah, okay. So we'll take this and copy paste it over here. And okay, books, what is the problem over here? And then it is saying that, so let me, I think I copy pasted it at wrong place. Now this is good. So this has to be removed and has to be replaced with this. Okay, and let's, this has to be, also there has to be one more block, which is this, right? So let me just give this as where, and this should be, no, this I think I couldn't copy this. Let me copy this. Okay, and let me put it down over here. Okay, and I think we have it, this as list, and this is publication list dot pub. Okay, control kd, let me align the code if that works. No, I didn't. Let me push it. So I just align this code. Now this looks good, but this we'll have to do it over here also. Now this is post. Okay, where is the get one? Okay, so let me go to chat gpt again. I think I missed to copy the get operation, create get. Let me see. Yeah, I copied this, but ideally I should have copied this also. And okay, so let me put it down over here. Right, so this is good. Now this has to be replaced with what we just did. Okay, so it has actually not added this functionality, model pop-up and all thing. But let's see how does this looks like at this moment. So let's run it and let's see. So it gave me error. VM book create does not exist in the definition. Let's say we have VM book create over here. Where it is not there. Oh, publication ID. Okay, got it. It shouldn't be publication ID. It should be just pure publication. Publication. This is good. This is good. This is just the pure publication. Okay. Okay. Remaining looks good. Okay. Let's run it again. So I have logged in with a librarian, right? Let's see. Let's go to manage books. Okay, this is good. Let's go to add book. Let's see what is happening. Okay, so it came up nice. Okay, book title, we have authors. Okay, I think we can select multiple selection also. Okay, so this is good. ISBN. Okay, publication. Okay, we have publication. Okay, genre. Okay, we have genre. Pages published here. Okay, okay, so this looks good. But let's do one thing. Let's align this control. They don't look good now. So if this is multi selection, then let's try to keep it with this. So book, we'll have the book title and ISBN. Then we will have these two, authors and short description, and then the remaining will align, I think, automatically. So let's do that. So first let me take everything this into a container so that they look good. Container, container, right? So let me take these at the bottom. Okay, let me see, control KD. Okay, so this is a line. Now we'll just shift few controls here and there. So with book title we need ISBN, right? So I'll take this ISBN over here, and after ISBN we can have author and we can have short description, so that because short description is also multi-line text box, so it will look good with authors. So let me copy paste it over here. Then remaining should be as it is. Let's say how does it look like. Okay, let it load. Okay, I think so it's loaded. So this looks good now. Book title, ISBN, authors, we have short description. And even let's do one thing. For short description, what is the row length? Uh, no, it hasn't specified. Okay, so let me give rows as, I think, 4 would be of equal size to drop down. Let's say 4. Yeah, okay, it's slightly more, but that's okay. I think this will be okay, right? So this is good, this is good, this is good, this is good. Publication, genre, okay, pages, dimension, and last would be the upload file. So this looks good. This looks good. Right. Now let's try to add, because we have create button, cancel also, and we do have created the post method. And let's see if these values are getting posted, right? If these values are getting posted to the create post method or not. Let me just check it over here. Let me say cricketer, cricketer biography. We'll say 123 hyphen 1234567 and some random number as ISBN number. Right. Let me say these two, first two as a author. Let me say, as of now, anything as, okay. Let me say publication as Adams. Genre would be, self improvement, travel, philosophy, mystery, health, fiction. Actually, fall none of them. But let me take philosophy. Let's say this would be say 250. Dimension would be 120, 130. Let's say it's basically anything. Right. Published year is 2024. Let me choose the image. Yeah. So let me take this Mahendra Singh Dhoni image, right? And let's. I hope I added the Yeah, debugger. Okay, good. So let's go ahead and create. Let's see if it gets stuck over here or not. Waiting, waiting. Okay, it came over here. Let's see what do we have it in VM. Sometimes this intelligence will take time. Let's. Okay, now it is coming up. Let's see. So author leave we have null. Okay, that's okay. Okay, this is good. Publication is good. This is good. This is good. Selected author IDs. Okay, let me expand this. Okay, it says 1 and 2. Okay, so this is good. So let's go. Let's debug this. Is invalid. Okay. Now what is invalid or okay? So we will have to mark list all drop downs as optional probably. That's what it is. That's where it is failing. So let's see. Yeah, so it is generating error at the author list and genre list because it currently they are not marked as nullable. So the code says that they are kind of required, and if they are not passed, then it is creating the problem, right? So let me stop this. Let me go ahead and go to VM book create and mark every this drop down list as optional, right? Because we don't need it on saving, we just need it to fill drop downs, right? So this is good. Now let me run this. So I have logged in as a librarian. Let's go to create book, and I hope I'll not have to pick, yeah, okay, it allowed. So let me skip one this, and let me, from somewhere. I am lazy to, yeah, maybe just take this. So let me, pick some text from the Word document and put it down over here. Publication, let me select the second one. Genre, let me select the, philosophy. This is 250. This is okay. This is publication year 2024. Let me choose the file. Okay, so we have selected Dhoni's file. Now let me say create again. Let's see what do we have this time. So whenever you are debugging a method, make sure you go through the input first, right? So everything should be good over here. Image file this time it is good. Short description also good, right? Okay, let me say F10, and now this time it came out, so this is good. Now let's move ahead. So far, since file was there, it is copying the file. Okay, let's say what is the image path. Okay, image path, it is putting down this as image path. Ideally it should be only file name, because we are not storing image with a full path. It should be file name only in our case. Okay, so let's do this. Stop this again. Let me correct this code and we will run it again. So this will be actually this only, file name only. We are not storing the entire path. Okay, so file name is actually, so let me image path. Yeah, let me take this image path as, yeah, we are not doing anything. Yeah, so let me take this and let's image path be here, right? Okay, so let's run it again and see. So I am on the manage books page. Let me add book. Let me, take this again. Let me take it from the Word document. Put it down here. Let me take first and third author. Let me take this Carol and Sons. Let me take this philosophy. Let's 250. Let it be this 2024. This will be image. image, let me say create. So let's go a little faster this time. Okay, so this is good. Okay, so it saved the book. Now it is saving book and author because we have selected two authors. Oh, so this is good. Now let me say F5. Okay, so cricketer biography got added, two authors got also added. This is good. This is good, good, good. So these are few really nice, right? It worked in one go. Let me add book and let me say create. Let's say if validations are there. Yeah, okay. So validations are also there. Right. If I say one and I say okay, then it is gone. Good. If I say this, then I say then it is gone. If I say this and say create, okay, then validation are gone. So this is good. So validations are also working fine. This is really nice. Right. So it worked in one go. Right. So that's it for this video. So we were able to make an entry of a book. So as a librarian can make an entry of the book. That's what we covered. Now in next video, what we will be doing, let's say author is not there. Let's say author was not added prior, right, before. So we will have this functionality, add new author, that will open up a pop-up, right? And that will have one simple text box. We'll say just enter, and that author will be added, and we can see that author over here, right? That's what we'll work on the next video. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.